Hey, this is Colin with iBuyCameras.net. Just want to do a quick video review of the Canon EOS 7D. This camera competes with Nikon's D7000. I will say that this camera has the advantage when shooting video. Super high quality video on this camera. I've seen some great documentaries and different films made with this camera, and they look extremely professional. You're able to plug a LCD into this camera, so you can so you don't have to use the little LCD on the back to focus. We would actually plug a LCD in, and you'd have like a 7-inch LCD or something like that to use. This camera has the same sort of functions that the 5D has. I really like the C1, C2, C3 buttons, or basically what those would do would allow you to save custom functions on there. So if you wanted to shoot, say, continuous autofocus JPEGs at medium size for shooting your kids at C1, and then C2 you had it saved so it was shooting high quality raw images with ISO 100 for shooting landscapes, and then C3 you're shooting both raw and JPEG with single point autofocus for something else. So it's really easy to switch between the three. I'm not going to go through these other ones. If you're looking at a 7D, you probably have an idea what those are. I will say that the autofocus is greatly improved over the 5D Mark II. Autofocus is very fast in comparison. The 5D Mark II uses an antiquated autofocus system, which can be compared to the EOS 5D. This one has a lot more autofocus points. This camera would be great for shooting sports, fast-moving kids. It shoots, I think, somewhere around 7 frames per second in continuous burst mode. I really like the video button that they've added. That's not on the 5D Mark II, which is right here. You had to go through a lot of menus and stuff like that. This raw JPEG button is nice as well. Has the pretty standard for higher end Canon cameras, the click wheel, which is very nice. This one even has the pop-up flash on it, which the EOS 5D2 does not. I guess the real advantage for the 5D Mark II would be if you need to really blow images up or enlarge images to really large size. That would be where that camera really excels. But the autofocus on the 7D is miles ahead and closer to the EOS 5D Mark III. This camera feels really professional, has a great grip on it. I actually prefer it over the D7000, just the grip. The D7000 does have a couple advantages. The 2 memory card slots. This one only has the 1 CF card slot, where the D7000 has 2 slots for 2 different SDs, which is nice. The viewfinder on this camera is really bright. Very nice. This is really a great camera, and if you're going to be shooting video, I would highly recommend this. I would probably recommend this over the EOS 5D Mark II, and just a great overall camera. Really, if you're going to do video, definitely go with the Canon over the Nikon. If you're going to be doing a lot of weddings or something like that, this is a great backup camera to your 5D. I know people who shoot exclusively with the 7D. and get great results. This is an awesome camera. But check us out, iBuyCameras.net. This is the EOS 7D. Thanks a lot.